Yo, what's up everybody? It's your girl Channing back for another It's your girl Channing back with another video. And we finna hey. So I'm kind of getting into this. I'm kind of feeling the groove of this whole makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Just so y'all know, I'm just a beginner at makeup. I'm just now actually, well, probably for like the past 2 years, I'm just now actually putting foundation on, using concealer. Like, bitch, what? So, you know, I'm only just a couple years, you know, into this, and trust me, it's not like nothing like what these other girls do on YouTube. Like, they go on YouTube, turn into a whole different bitch. That's amazing. But I like to keep it simple, you know. I like to have my makeup products look really natural and everything, so that's kind of the look I go for. But I just recently got some new makeup. I went to the store, and you know, I can't exactly afford, you know, the Fenty and stuff yet, but I'm gonna get there. But for right now, I just got some basic drugstore makeup for you, and I'm just gonna show y'all like kind of like what my, I guess, makeup style is. So yeah, before I even pull out no makeup, I ain't pulling out no makeup. I ain't pulling out no eyeliner, no nails, no nothing until everybody gives this big video a big like for me. Please give this video a big like, thumbs it up, share it with your friends. Comment down below the different brands of makeup that you use. And yeah, let's get into it. As far as foundation goes, I've kind of just been here and there as far as brands go. In the past, my go-to foundation and concealer would be LA Colors. LA Colors is very affordable. You can get it from basically anywhere you look, they'll have LA Colors. And I was using the matte, whatever you call it, the matte foundation finish or whatever. But I decided when I went to the store, I was like, I want to try a different brand. I've been with LA Colors so long, and I love LA Colors. There ain't nothing wrong with them. I'm gonna make probably a separate video on LA Colors because they be popping. This new brand that I'm trying is called Believe Beauty. I really like this. I like the how it comes in here. I feel like I'm using my mom's foundation. Like, you know, when you were a little kid and you like played in your mom's foundation, like I feel like this is this guy. Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage. And when I start doing these makeup videos, I'm always going to tell y'all how much is in it, because I do not be stunting these bottles of foundation and concealer that it looks big, but then like you're using it and you run out like within like couple days. I'm playing, but nah, it runs out really fast. This has 0.8 fluid ounces - 25 milliliters, so cool. But yeah, I really like the shape that it comes in. Like, it's really just, I don't know, just okay. I'm gonna put some foundation on. Ooh. But honestly, y'all, like when I put this on, like even just my hand, but when I put it on my face, like I smeared it on and it just looked like it just blended in. And this is really what I like about Believe Beauty, is that like as far as their foundation goes, it's liquid, and I'm kind of, I don't know if I like powder, liquid, or like that in between stuff, but when I put it on my face, y'all, like it looked like I didn't even like have makeup on my hand and wiped it on my face. Like, can y'all barely even see that, yo? Yo, you can barely even see that. At least that's what I think. I don't know. It might look different in the camera, but you can barely, like, that's never happened before in my life. So I think I'm gonna start getting this. This is what it looks like on the back of my hand or whatever. And then on, like, look. Like, bro, that's some invisible shit right there, goddamn. Like, and that's it. Like, you can't even tell that I put anything on my face or on my hand. Like, that is some black girl magic. Because usually when I get foundations, it's like the hue, like the color is just always just a tiny bit off, because I feel like naturally I have like a lot of red in my facial hue, color tone, whatever you want to call it. That, yeah, this is some black girl magic in a freaking bottle. But y'all really need to get some of this. So my next product I'm gonna pull out is the concealer. So basically with the concealer, like, okay, as far as professional type of, I guess, concealer goes, the only type of concealer I really used and loved was NARS Radiant Creamy concealer. Yeah, that was some black girl magic too, because that was the type of concealer that I could almost, I wore it as a foundation because back then I wasn't really using foundation. I was just more comfortable at the time with concealer. I can use that on my face and it has kind of that invisible effect that this has. So yeah, but with this, it kind of almost looks similar to the NARS Concealer Radiant Creamy thingamabobber, but obviously it's not still the same. Hold up, they left this ratchet ass sticker over here. Let me take it off real quick. Damn, it's another sticker. But yeah, this is also Believe Beauty, and this is their concealer, the concealer that I got from the store. I want y'all to be able to see it good. Oh, it says this is the color Sand. I don't know if y'all can see that, but like, it surprised me the first time because I did do the back of the hand test makeup thingamabobber, and I was like, okay, this is kind of honestly like, it's definitely lighter. I try to get it 2 shades lighter so I can just highlight and not have to buy extra makeup just to highlight under my eyes and get that flashback action. But it's super, super, super creamy, like, bro. It's very, very creamy and soft on your skin, like, yes. I mean, I guess I'll put this on my face for y'all. That's how you know I love y'all, cause I'm wasting makeup. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's really, it's a lot lighter. So that's why I'm saying, you know, I'll use it as like a highlighting concealer. I know that's so ugly the way I rub that in. I mean, it blends, but it's lighter. And we don't want no clown action going. What I'm noticing about both of these is that they really feel amazing, like on your skin. Like, it doesn't feel like my skin hasn't been irritated because I tried it yesterday before the video, but it hasn't been irritated or anything like that. Like, it feels like it could have some type of freaking nutrients or some junk in there, but I'm pretty sure it would say that, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. But now I'm gonna go to my makeup wipes. Believe Beauty makeup wipes. These wipes, hold on, because that's how they do it in the camera. These wipes are really, I don't know, it just, all these, like, Believe Beauty really has, it just feels so natural on my skin. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just being extra, but these wipes are really good. Like, it's even like totally taking the makeup off my hands from when I was showing y'all. But it says that it's rose scented. That's probably why I love it so much, because I love the smell of roses. It's really fresh, like a refreshing smell, like just very clean, like, you know, kind of feminine or whatever, you know what I'm saying. But 30 wipes come in here. You know, it has, you know, warnings and all that shit, you know, if it gets in your eye, da da da. But then it tells you how to use the wipes, and I think that's always good. Like, tell people how to use this shit, yo, before something bad happens. But yeah, so it works really good. Dang, I had a lot of makeup on there. Like, the makeup itself just feels very refreshing itself. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm actually honestly putting makeup on. It's very lightweight. It's not cakey or, you know, just like, just nasty. Like, it makes me feel comfortable as a person transitioning into wearing makeup. So cool with me. So that's it for the Believe Beauty makeup wipes. You know. All right, now I have a couple more products I'm gonna go through kind of quickly because this video is gonna be like forever when I post it. I have LA Colors Matte Setting Spray. Yeah, this is my first time using matte setting spray. I used to see the girls be like, they used to be like, and that junk looks so pretty. But yeah, I just never honestly tried it. I just thought, like, if my makeup sweats off, it's just gonna sweat off and I'll just put some more on later. Like, and I'm not used to spraying stuff on my face, so I'm gonna try to show y'all what I did before. So I just kind of, like, you know, oh yeah, that's weird. It's supposed to help extend your makeup wear. That's what it says. I'm gonna go to my NYX lip liner. I know this is a lot of stuff and y'all like, you're a beginner when you're using all this shit. You best believe it. You know, I try to pick something that's kind of like the exact color of my lips because I'm not into like glosses or things that make my lips look a different color. I don't know what happened to my little eyebrow cool professional brow pencil thing, but yeah, I'll just show y'all the box it came in until I find it. This is my micro brow pencil from NYX. The last lip pencil I showed you was NYX, and now this is the micro brow pencil. It says professional makeup actually on the pencil. If I can find it, I will show it to y'all. Of course you twist it, and then it comes with a spoolie on the end so you can get them little hairs together. The crayon that actually twists out of the pencil tube is really thin, and that's part of the reason, like, if you look at my eyebrows, I know I just did a thick eyebrow tutorial, but I actually wanted my eyebrows to be a lot thicker, and because the pencil and the crayon itself was so small coming out, my brows came out kind of like sharp and thin. But I can't even really lie, I like these brows. And one more thing, yeah. Okay, so the last thing that I have here are some fake nails. Okay, ladies, I'm finna put you on game right now. What you need to do is get you some fake nails, baby. Look, especially if you're going back to college like me, you don't got time to be getting your nails all professionally done. You might not have the funds or the transportation to get your nails done, so I like to use the fake nails. And this is a 33 piece nail kit. This isn't really the color that I wanted. I really like blues and purples and whites and peaches, but I will try this because I like nude, but I never really tried it on my nails. And I think that's it. That's all the makeup stuff that I bought from the store recently. If you liked any of the makeup products in this video, give it a big thumbs up. I really want to hear from you guys, like, what kind of makeup products do you use, what brands, why do you use it, all that other stuff. You know, I'm gonna be coming out with a dorm haul. Later this week because I'm going back to school. Now this is not a big dorm haul that's coming up next, you feel me? Like, I'm just beginning to get some of my stuff. I have way more decorations. I'm gonna do some DIYs for my new dorm, and then when I move in, there'll be a video for that and so on and so forth. I really hope you guys are enjoying my first couple of makeup videos. They might, I don't want to go back and watch them because I know they're just gonna be cringy AF. I'm still getting into the swing of things when it comes to makeup, making videos consistently. So yeah, but like I said, give this video like a big thumbs up. Share this with your friends, that dude across the street, your mailman, your homegirl, her cousin that do the nails on 5th. But yeah, share this video with your friends and your people and your homies. I'll see you later, and yeah, peace.